Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another CSS Art tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to create this pencil icon, and I found this icon in this website, Adobe Stock. And if you search for pencil icon, you will see it over here. So we'll be doing this one, and yeah, this is the image we'll try to recreate using only CSS. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first we'll create the pencil. It will be standing straight, and then we'll rotate it. So the pencil consists of a couple of parts. This is the eraser, this metal part, which according to Wikipedia is called ferrule. Then we have the body of the pencil. Then we have this collar, and then is the tip. So I'll just create the classes in here. They'll all be part of the pencil class. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the eraser first. I mean, with the pencil first. Okay, so currently nothing is visible from the pencil because it will be a container for all these classes that make up the pencil. So we'll have the body will consist of three sides, so each will be 33.33% from 100 pixels. Okay, and then we'll add these rounded ends of each side using the after pseudo element. So let me just show you how it will look first. Okay, so as you see, we want each side to have the color of each after pseudo element to have the color of the site. So instead of passing for each side the background color, we'll just inherit it, and they will inherit the color of their parents. So actually, this should be side here. Oh, okay. Now this color, it will be actually a triangle. We'll create a triangle. And the reason why it's not... Oh, wait a minute. What is going on here? Sorry about this, guys. So this should be 385. Okay. And this should be actually 20. 20. Actually, sorry. This will be 50. And this will be 100. Okay, there we have it. Okay, guys, sorry, I was looking at the code for the tip. So the background will be FFEFBB. Okay. There we have it. Sorry, and then the tip will also be a triangle, that we'll put at the end of this triangle. Okay, we're almost ready. The only thing that we need to do is rotate the pencil. So this pencil is a wrapper for all these classes. And there we have it. Here's the pencil, here's the original one, and here's the pencil that we create using CSS. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.